This is a freezer, cooler freezer, portable, and you can plug it into your car lighter, or you can plug it into a wall, or any other power source. So, all of our good steak and seafood that we got on sale, we're gonna bring on vacation with us. Our filet mignon, all of it.
So what we're going to do is unboxing our mini portable freezer. Yeah, that's right.
Yes,
mini
and
portable freezer.
Santa came a little bit late. His package was so big, he had to do a second round with late Christmas presents for the people that had to order something real big like this. So
This is gonna be our presents together.
yes.
Yeah, it arrives late because of the pandemic. Yeah, everything is late because of the pandemic. So we all know that. So
Okay.
let's
You can
start opening.
take over the show now.
Yay! Let's see what's gonna be inside. I'm excited. Honey. Oh, is that?
That's fine.
Are you mad?
No, it's fine.
Oh. Honey, help. You're not helping. Yay! Woo! Of course, I cannot carry this one. Yay! So beautiful! Can you see this, guys? Honey, how can I show them? Wait, I'm going to bring
Can
them.
you show them?
Yeah, wait, honey. There you go! Wow, ang ganda! This is our portable freezer. Honey, that's big. Honey.
More than enough room. And it can also be a refrigerator.
Huh?
You can set it from -4 degrees Fahrenheit up to, I believe, 70 some degrees. So you can do a whole range of temperatures depending on what you have in there. But
Oh.
our purpose is going to be to take all of our frozen stuff where we got on good sale price to resort areas where everything's...
Can you turn it around so I can see the back and back and front of it? Oh, very nice. Oh, you can pull that one. There's a handle
Yep.
right there.
Yep, there is that.
Okay. And you can...
It's got glass places up on the top.
That is also good for camping.
Yeah, you can actually... you could actually eat your...
You can pull this one. Can you do that?
It's a handle, so you can do it that way.
Wow.
Or
Can
you got handles on each side.
Oh, wow.
So if we want...
if we
if
carry
we want to
together.
carry it together,
Yeah.
we can carry it.
Can you try to carry it without anything so we can see if you can... No, just lift it up like that. So...
I already did. Remember when I lifted it out of the box?
Oh, yeah. Honey, what is this? Oh, it's a bottle opener. Is that bottle opener?
Yeah, it looks like it. Yep.
This.
Yeah.
Ay, ang ganda! Wow! Nice present for the both of us.
Yep.
Ay, ang ganda!
And this one made it before we leave on vacation Saturday.
Oh my God.
So that is nice.
Honey, when we go to the Philippines, you can put that in our balikbayan box. Ay, I'm so happy. What's that? Those are
You've got one cord
one
that can go in the ashtray.
This one?
Into the lighter.
car.
It can go in the car lighter. And the other one is a regular plug you can just stick into an outlet. So you can.
What is this?
That's what goes into the freezer cooler.
Oh.
Right over here. Depending on what source you're gonna
Oh, this one.
do.
This one. This goes right into this. Ay, ang ganda. Beautiful. Oh. Oh, honey, let's try. Use this. Let's gonna try that.
So,
Are we gonna try that?
you can actually get solar panels.
Solar panel.
Yeah, like let's say just a solar panel that you could actually power this by. So they've got miniature ones that allow you to do that. There's a USB port also, so you can plug something into it.
What do you mean? Our phone?
You could plug your phone into that.
Oh, wow.
So whatever was powering this would also charge your phone.
Oh, wow. Uy, ang ganda. Parang napakaano naman nito. Let's try. Put water inside for like an hour, and if the water will become ice, then we know it works. Am I wrong?
What are you gonna put?
Right there.
What are you gonna put the water in?
Inside.
In
Put
what?
in the plastic.
Okay.
Honey, can you what's that? 3 Fahrenheit? O negative 4 Fahrenheit. Uy, ang galing. 45 Fahrenheit.
Set it to -4.
Negative 4. That's the negative 4. Yan guys, nilagyan namin ng water. Titignan natin kung mag-yellow yung water. Diba? Try natin siya kung mag-yellow.
Okay.
Ayan guys,
got it.
iwanan muna natin siya. Tignan natin kung kung mag-yellow yung nilagay nating water sa kanya. Update ko kayo guys. Ayan. O, tignan natin kung nag-ice na. Nag-ice na yung nilagay nating water. Ayan. The temperature went down to 4 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's
All the way from
45.
45 to 4 degrees when we were gone,
Yeah.
and we put water in there. We wanted to just make sure it would freeze, so we knew our freezer was working.
Come on.
So
Let's check.
here we go, and there's the water, and
Tilt. Wow. Yay!
frozen.
Frozen! Yeah!
Okay.
It's working!
Yep.
Okay, turn it off. Our freezer is working so well. Umalis lang kami, nag-grocery lang kami saglit. Iniwan namin siya ng mga 3 hours. And then pagbalik namin galing sa grocery, ano na siya? Nag-ice na yung nilagay nating water. Ayan. Diba ang ganda? Meron na kaming portable freezer. Ayan. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you're all upgraded every time we had a new video. Bye everyone!